Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at again with another brand new video, and for today's video we are first time unboxing and reviewing a Marvel figure on our channel. I do have another Marvel figures in my collection as well. This is a War Machine from the Marvel Legend, and this is the Zombies Iron Man from What If Marvel Legends as well. And today we are taking a look at the Marvel Avengers Iron Man, the atmosphere armor from the game wars, which is a very underrated because the game wasn't really that famous. So we got this on a very good price. So without any further ado, let's take a closer look at how the box is. On the top we get the Marvel Game Wars logo, and on the bottom here we have the Avengers atmospheric armor and Iron Man. On the back of the pack we can see it comes with 5 more other characters from the series, and also we get a built-in figure part of Joe Fixit in this pack. Without any further ado, let's take him out of the pack and take a much closer look at him. Here it is, our Iron Man figure out of the pack, and I am really liking this figure. I'm a really big fan of that bulky armor and how it looks. It is really an underrated figure, but in my opinion I am really liking it. The detailing on this is really done great. As you guys can take a much closer look at it, the mask on him is really great. Like, that bulky armor look itself is giving him such a great poster, and we do get that like movement, so a lot of ab crunch up here and going all the way to the back. So this figure comes with a lot of movements like any other WWE figure as well. So we can see we have that 360 arm rotation and the butterfly up and down. Because of the armor pad, it does not move a lot up, so we only get that much movement. Double jointed pin elbows, so a lot of movement on the elbow as well, and rotation on the hand. We do get the figure with extra hand, so on the figure we have this shooting hand, so I can use these accessories to put it on him. We do get the Fist of Fury as an extra part in the box as well. And as we are talking about the movement on the hips, we have that 360 movement on the lower torso, a lot of movements on the hips, so it can do a split up and down, thigh cut, so it can do a 360 on the thigh cut, double jointed pin knee, so a lot of movement on the knee up here as well. This figure can do really a lot of postures, and you guys can display him in really nice positions. No separation of the boot, but you have some movement up here on the boot where it can go down, and not a lot of movement up on going to the upwards because of the armor. But other than that, this figure is really an awesome figure, and I'm really glad to add this figure up to my collection. This is the extra head of Tony Stark that we get with the figure, and it is a really nice detailing on the head. As you guys can see, a lot of detailings on the hair and as well as on the beard. The face does look really realistic. The detailing overall is really great, and so we can swap this head and let's see how it looks on the figure. And here it is after the head replacement, and in my opinion this figure does look really nice even with the head swap. This figure is really one of my favorite, and it's really on my top 10 list for sure of this year that I have got. So this was Iron Man atmospheric armor. Let me know in comments, guys, what do you guys think about this. For sure, for me this is one of my favorite figure, and it is in my top 10 of course. And I will be taking some pictures and posting it up on Instagram. If you guys like this video, make sure you drop a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press that subscribe button. Until then, peace out, and I will be seeing you guys next